Meaning of indefatigably.
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 Indefatigably. The word indefatigably means to do something tirelessly or without getting tired or exhausted. It suggests a level of sustained effort and perseverance that is not easily swayed by obstacles or challenges. Someone who works indefatigably is driven by a deep passion or purpose that energizes them even when the going gets tough. This quality can be seen in people who achieve great things despite adversity or in those who push themselves to their limits to accomplish a task. In short, to work indefatigably is to maintain an unyielding commitment to excellence and constant improvement.